Hazrat Sahal bin Saad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam combated the polytheists and there ensued a bloody fight until Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the infidels returned to their respective troops. There was a man amongst the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam who would not leave any alone or fleeing polytheists alive, rather chased him and killed him with his sword. The companions said about him, "None has fought the battle like him." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "But he is a denizen of hell." One of the companions said, "I will watch for him so as to know which of his deeds will render him hell-bound." So that companion kept following him. Wherever he would stay, he, the companion, would also stay there. And if he would run, he would also run. At last that man got seriously wounded and hastened to commit suicide. And not bearing the pain of wound, he placed the handle of his sword on the ground and its point in the middle of his chest, and then pressing himself against the sword committed suicide. That companion entered the presence of the Prophet ﷺ and submitted, "I testify that you are Allah's Apostle ﷺ." Allah's Apostle ﷺ asked, "What has happened?" He submitted, "The person about whom you said that he was a hell-bound," and the people got astonished at that news. I resolved at once to dispel the people's amazement. So I remained chasing him. When that man got seriously wounded, he placed the handle of the sword on the ground and its point in between his chests, and thus piercing the sword in his chest, he committed suicide. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Some people perform such deeds that the people consider them paradise bound, whereas they are in fact the denizens of hell. And some people perform such deeds that the people consider them hell bound, but they are in fact paradise bound." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 302.